In today's interconnected world, the allure of travel is stronger than ever. Social media feeds are filled with exotic locations and once-in-a-lifetime experiences, tempting us to pack our bags and jet off to far-flung destinations. But there's a growing trend that's causing concern in financial circles: the rise of travel debt. As an ex-banker, I've observed this phenomenon with increasing alarm. In this video, we'll explore the real costs of financing vacations with credit and discuss smarter ways to satisfy your wanderlust without jeopardizing your financial future. The travel debt phenomenon. Let's start with a scenario many of us can relate to. Sarah, a 28-year-old marketing executive, has been dreaming of visiting Japan for years. The cherry blossoms, the sushi, the neon lights of Tokyo, they're all calling her name. But there's a significant obstacle. Her bank account is saying no, while her heart is screaming go. Sarah's dilemma is far from unique. An increasing number of people are choosing to fund their travel aspirations with credit cards and loans, essentially betting on future earnings to pay for today's adventures. But is this financial gamble worth the risk? The psychology of travel spending. The travel industry has mastered the art of creating desire. They tap into our FOMO with Instagram-perfect beaches, once-in-a-lifetime experiences, and limited-time offers. These marketing tactics are designed to bypass our rational decision-making processes and appeal directly to our emotions. This psychological manipulation, combined with a shifting societal mindset, has led to a new phenomenon. People are increasingly prioritizing experiences over financial stability, often justifying their decisions with statements like, "I can't afford a house anyway, so I might as well travel the world." This attitude is challenging traditional financial wisdom and potentially setting up a generation for future financial struggles. There's even a word for it that you may have heard: doom spending. The word itself conjures up images of spending like there's no tomorrow. The true cost of travel debt. Experiences aren't bad things to spend on. In fact, there's research that shows that experiences are a better use of money than acquiring endless stuff that you don't actually end up using. But going into debt for experiences is a totally different matter. Debt, especially the high-interest, unsecured type, like credit cards and personal loans, is one of the worst things for your finances. And as a former banker, I've witnessed the long-term consequences of impulsive financial decisions among both my friends and my clients. Because when you finance a vacation with debt, you're not just paying for the trip, you're paying for the trip plus interest. Depending on your financing method, a $3,000 vacation could easily balloon into a $4,500 expense, or even more. But the cost isn't just financial. There's also a significant psychological impact. Returning from a trip to face a mountain of debt can lead to stress, anxiety, and regret. It's a financial ball and chain attached to your ankle, limiting your future choices and opportunities. Moreover, travel debt can snowball. What starts as financing one trip can quickly become a habit, leading to a cycle of debt that's hard to break. This pattern can impact your ability to achieve larger financial goals, such as buying a home, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. The power of responsible travel planning. Now, I need to clarify something. I'm not advocating against travel. Quite the opposite. Travel can be an incredible way to broaden your horizons, learn about new cultures, and create lasting memories. The key is to do it responsibly. This is where the power of budgeting comes into play. A well-planned budget isn't a restriction. It's a tool for financial freedom. It allows you to align your spending with your values and goals, ensuring that you can enjoy life's pleasures without compromising your financial future. The best tried and true strategy is to simply create a dedicated travel fund. By setting aside a portion of your income each month specifically for travel, you can build up the resources to fund your adventures without relying on credit. Many banking apps allow you to set up virtual savings jars for this purpose, which makes it a lot easier to track your progress. Better yet, you can automate the process of filling up this virtual jar. And then imagine stepping off the plane at your dream destination, knowing that every experience is already paid for. That's true financial freedom. And for those eager to travel but still building their savings, here are some expanded strategies to explore the world without breaking the bank. Number 1. Plan ahead. Last-minute trips are often the most expensive. Give yourself time to hunt for deals and save up. Use fare comparison websites and set up price alerts for your desired routes. Consider booking flights and accommodations separately to find the best deals. Planning ahead also allows you to take advantage of early bird discounts and spread out the cost of your trip over time. Number 2, travel off-season. Prices for flights and accommodations often drop dramatically in the off-season. Research your desired destination to find the best time to visit that balances good weather with lower prices. You'll not only save money, but also enjoy smaller crowds and a more authentic local experience. For example, visiting Europe in late September or early October can offer pleasant weather and significantly reduced costs compared to the summer months. Number 3, use travel rewards wisely. If you're going to use a credit card, make it work for you. Look for cards with great travel rewards, but remember to pay off the balance each month to avoid interest charges. Some cards offer sign-up bonuses that can cover a significant portion of your travel costs. Be strategic about when and how you use your points or miles to maximize their value. Number 4, consider alternative accommodations. Hotels are convenient but often expensive. Consider options like house sitting, which can provide free accommodation in exchange for taking care of someone's home and pets. Websites like Trusted House Sitters connect travelers with homeowners worldwide. Alternatively, try camping or staying in hostels for a more budget-friendly and often more social travel experience. Number 5, embrace the staycation. Last but not least, explore your own backyard. Many of us overlook the attractions and experiences available in our own regions. Research local hiking trails, museums, or historical sites. Try new restaurants or take a cooking class featuring cuisine from your dream destination. Not only will you save on travel costs, but you'll also gain a new appreciation for your local area. So there's no doubt that travel is a wonderful, enriching, and sometimes even life-changing experience. But it shouldn't come at the cost of your financial well-being. With careful planning, creativity, and patience, you can satisfy your wanderlust without sacrificing your financial future. Remember, the truly rich experiences are the ones that don't follow you home in the form of credit card bills.